Excuse me.
Yeah.
Is that your car on the lot?
Yeah.
It's a Jag?
Yeah.
How much money you make?
I don't know, 72,000 last month.
You show me a pay stub for $72,000 on it, I quit my job right now and I work for you. Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
My name is Jordan Belfort. At the tender age of 22, I headed to the only place that befit my high-minded ambitions.
Name of the game, move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
But if you can make a client's money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No.
Let's really pull no punches. Let's not try to whitewash anything. Let's not try to make these characters quote-unquote likable. Let's portray them for what they are. And that means also exploring, you know, the unbelievable time that they did have, you know, during those few years where they were completely unregulated and had no rules. Ultimately, they pay the price, and everything comes crashing down in a flaming, you know, pile of rubble. But, you know, let's be honest about what they were doing, and they were having an insanely good time.
Why bother telling a story of somebody who's not, someone who's unremarkable? Someone who didn't do anything inspiring, who wasn't Michelangelo or Walt Whitman or Roosevelt on the one hand, Lincoln on the one hand, on the other hand, a Rasputin or a Mao or a Stalin. And on top of that, someone who led a life that wasn't exemplary, that was kind of pretty ignoble in a way, not because they wanted to harm anybody per se, but because they had no real model for leading a decent life, because this is what they learned from the world around them.
There's two keys to success in the broker business. First of all, you gotta stay relaxed.
Yeah.
You jerk off?
Do I jerk off? Yeah. Yeah, I jerk off, yeah.
How many times a week?
Like, three or four times, maybe.
I gotta pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers in this racket. I myself, I jerk off at least twice a day.
Wow.
Once in the morning, right after I work out, and then once right after lunch.
Really? Mm-hmm.
Okay? I want to. That's not why I do it. I do it because I need to. Think about it. You're dealing with numbers all day long. Decimal points, high frequencies, bang, 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 digits, all very acidic, above the shoulders mustard, right? It kind of can wig some people out, right? You got to feed the geese to keep the blood flowing. And keep the rhythm below the belt.
Done.
You can't help but, you know, not necessarily root for these guys, but want to watch them disintegrate. You want to watch these guys that have a complete disregard for anyone or anything except themselves and their own lust for greed. And it's you know, it's ironic, but it's incredibly entertaining.
When you're the one playing him, I saw myself having so much fun at times, you know, playing this guy, and I felt guilty afterwards on the nights when I was having fun, treating people awfully, and, you know, this guy doesn't treat people well, the character doesn't treat people well, and doesn't care about other people. He's a consumer, in every sense of the word. He consumes money and power and things and drugs and women, and he's like an animal. He doesn't care who dies along the way, who gets hurt along the way. And, you know, it's interesting playing someone who thinks like that. I've never had to do that.
Act like we're working. Okay, wait, he's coming. Okay, so I think if we short Pfizer, that should, and if we have
$30,000 in 1 month, Jordy? Huh?
the business expenses. Yes.
Jordy, look what you got here.
What?
Look at this. $26,000 for one dinner.
No, this could be explained. Dad, we had the Pfizer clients.
Right, the porterhouse from Argentina.
The expensive champagne and the wine. We had to buy champagne. And you ordered all the sides. Tell them about the sides
I
you
ordered
ordered.
the sides, so...
Sides?
Yeah.
Sides? $26,000 worth of sides?